Hey guys, it's Tony Reed here. You also might know me from TK Visions.
I said I'm feeling like a money bag. I just need a blessing, working overtime cause I don't want my shorty overstressing. Homie in the hospital, so we gotta leave a message. We've been working for it, and I ain't into being peasants. Yeah, it's petty, I'm ready to turn these records to cheddar.
The goods came. So I currently use A7RII, which I'm in love with. I say nothing but positive about it. I wanted a second camera because we do video, photography, kind of a little bit of everything, and it's always nice to have a second camera. Now the A7RII, one thing that sold me on it was it shoots 120 frames in 1080. Now the A7RII, it only shoots 120 frames in 720. So I mean, who uses 720 anymore? Let's check this out. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's check that out.
That boy cold, man, that boy hitting. I would say that boy sick, hope he playing with Pippin. That boy pulling up from anywhere, I bet he still hitting. Ain't nobody gon' stop him until they study the writtens. And I'ma cross him, fade back, cross again for payback. Lay it up and lay back, like I'm in a Maybach. Hustle, get the ball back, we don't ever play that. Only dubs, that's facts, only dubs, that's facts. I'm only here for the dubs, so I'ma hustle and go. I'ma ask to run it back, cause yeah, I wanted some more. So if I'm ready for the one, you know I'm ready for four. And I'ma walk off every court like when I walk through the door.
Feels a lot like the, size-wise, it feels a lot like the A7RII. There it is. Now, another thing that sold me on this, I read that the batteries are bigger, and they are actually a lot bigger, and they last longer. If anybody's had a Sony, they know that the Sony batteries are just terrible. I mean, I'll go through 4 batteries in one shoot, and it's a little insane. Get this set up and check it out.